So today I'm taking a look at this ANCEL diagnostic leak detector. Basically, it's a smoke generator for checking your lots of different things. But in my case, I'm going to use it on a vehicle to check the system to see if I can find leaks in the system itself. But you can see it has all kinds of attachments here, different attachments, all kinds of plugs that are included, so you can plug the hoses and stuff off if need be. It has the power cord, you hook off the 12 volt of the vehicle itself, and of course it has the hose here for introducing the smoke. And of course you can plug this into different things. This here, if you have to go into a big hose, this will fit in, and then it's going to come, the smoke's going to go through this. So all kinds of options here for hooking this up, several different ways to introduce smoke into your system, and then look for those leaks in your system. So we're gonna get this thing hooked up. I got some mineral oil I poured in it. Now let's fire this thing up and see what it can do. We got it hooked up to power on the battery itself, and then you can see we got a light on here to generate smoke. And if we want to turn the compressor on, hit that button, and this thing is going to blow the smoke. You can see, and you want to use this in a very low draft area to make sure you don't have the smoke blowing everywhere. But you can see the smoke starting to come out of that now. Hopefully you can see that. And what we're going to do is we're going to hook this into the system here and see if we can find some leaks. I got it turned on here, so it takes a little bit to generate the smoke. But once it does, I have it plugged into a hose, and we're going to look to see if we see any smoke come out of anywhere. And then, of course, we're going to have to do a little diagnostic work to figure out where. Yeah, I actually can see some smoke. I don't know if you can see it. You can see quite a bit right down in there. Actually, it's getting even more because this thing is generating even more and more smoke. So yeah, I definitely have a leak down in there, but that's how this works. So all I gotta do is get down in there and try to identify specifically where that is coming from, which is a pretty good sized leak. And I knew there was in this. I knew a couple hoses need to be replaced. But now what you also can see is when this thing runs for a little bit, this thing can generate a massive amount of smoke. So you're really going to be able to find where your leak is very, very quickly. So hopefully this gives you an idea of what this thing can do. Certainly generates enough smoke, so if you have a closed system, you're going to absolutely find out where that smoke is coming from, and you'll be able to make that repair. And as soon as you shut it off, the smoke pretty much stops. Now, of course, you have to wait for all that to dissipate. Now, this is just mineral oil, so it's not like smoke burning soot or anything like that. But yeah, so you can see how quickly it's dissipating now. And you can increase and decrease the amount of smoke coming out of it by turning this knob right here. You also have a little sight glass on the side here for the oil level. And it's got a minimum maximum, which is great. And of course you have the strap here and this hook if you want to hang it up here. Let's say you have a place you can hang it up out of the way under the hood of a vehicle and be able to see this. So really this thing has everything you need. This is the S3000 Pro, a very, very handy tool if you're dealing with manifold leaks and stuff like that and you just can't seem to find where they are. A tool like this is going to be exactly what you need. Now, these guys were nice enough to send this out to me, and I want to thank them for that. This is going to be a huge help. It's a fantastic diagnostic tool, and I have tested several ANCEL products. I've bought a few. They've sent me a few. They sent me this one. I want to thank them for that, and I've been happy with every one of them. So this is another tool that's going to come in very, very handy, and be able to do diagnostic work just like this. So hopefully this short video helps you out, and you can see how quick and easy it is to get this thing set up and running. There are some models out there that you need to hook in your own air compressor to it to push the air through. This thing is self-sustained and does everything for you, which is what I really like about it. But yeah, there you go. Hope this video helps you out. But now if you click that order button, you know what you're going to get. Now the other thing I want to point out on this is if you are generating smoke, you can see I can adjust the amount of smoke or the flow with this knob right here. You can see that going up and down, your indicator. And there we are producing smoke. And if we want to produce a lot of smoke, which we can, of course, but let's say you're wrapping things up and you want to clear the system of this smoke, you don't want to leave it in there, then this tool also will allow you to do that. So you go ahead and shut the smoke function off, and that stops. But this system is all full of smoke, and if it's hooked to your vehicle, that's also full of smoke. You can put on just the air, and now it's going to push all that smoke out of your system and out of your tube, and you can see this is going to start clearing up here because all we're doing is pushing air through. We're not actually producing smoke. And then once it's clear, you're all good. You got everything pushed out of the system, you're ready to go. So this thing is definitely a fantastic tool, very easy to use. I give it 2 thumbs up for sure.